Okay, good morning, year 8. Welcome again at your school of Osama International School. This is Sara Osama with you. Today we are going to solve past paper 2015, part of the physics. Okay. One second. Okay. Past paper 2016. Okay, we revise in the all curriculum while we are solving the questions. Okay. Okay, first question we can solve. You can solve the first question. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay, raise your hand, guys. Okay, yes, يا حسنين. Yes, Hassanin.
Yes. So A is Mars, I think.
Okay, you save the planets in order.
Mercury, Venus,
Earth,
Earth,
Mars.
Mars.
Excellent. Okay, excellent. So the C will be Mercury, D Venus, B Earth, and A Mars. Okay.
Mars.
Okay, welcome يا مازن. Okay, complete يا محمد. Okay, so the answers would be Mars, Earth, Mercury, Venus. Okay, next, complete يا محمد.
Choose from the following. The planet with the smallest orbit around the sun is planet D.
Look at again. Which one the smallest?
Planet C. C.
C. Okay. Okay, which one the shortest time to orbit the sun?
Also C.
C, excellent. So C and C. Okay, thank you, Muhammad. Okay, who can solve this question about light? About light. Yes, yeah, Faris.
Hello.
Yes, yeah, Faris. Can you solve this question, please?
Yes. Lily, Mia, and Safia mix different colored light. They use light of same intensity. Lily has a pure blue light torch. Mia has a pure green light torch, and Safia has a pure red light torch. They make the light from the three torches overlap.
Okay, like the pictures, okay? Okay, next question.
Okay.
Okay, when Lily's torch, yes, Faris.
When Lily's torch light overlaps with Mia's torchlight.
Lily and Mia.
Can you go back?
Pictures. Okay, look at the pictures. Lily and Mia. Where is Lily? Lily and Mia. Lily,
blue,
green.
blue and
Green
cyan.
and what?
Cyan.
Cyan.
C-Y-A-N.
Excellent. Okay. Next.
When Safia's torchlight overlaps with Lily's torchlight, Safia is red and Lily is can you go back because I don't remember.
Okay, Safia or Lily. Safia red and Lily blue.
Magenta. Yes, magenta. I think.
Okay, back again. Okay, we see the first one, cyan, then magenta. Okay, excellent. Indeed.
When all three torchlight overlaps, white light is formed.
Excellent.
Is produced.
White. Okay, the three colors will produce white light.
Lily switches off her torchlight. What happens to color light at X?
Okay,
it becomes it turns into magenta.
When lily is blue color, so red to red will be
Yellow, sorry. It becomes yellow.
yellow. Excellent. Okay. Yellow. Change to yellow. At X will change at yellow because the green only and red. Okay. If you solve finish. Okay, welcome Masoud. Okay, next question. Okay, this question about energy. You can solve, raise your hand if you want. This is we start with the paper 1, ya Hashim, and then paper 2. Okay. Who can solve? Who can solve your 8? Okay, Ahmed Fahmi. Ahmed Fahmi. خطاب. خطاب. Okay. حسنين.
Yes. Many power stations burn fossil fuels. The demand for energy is increasing all the time. Burning fossil fuels meets most of the world's energy needs. In the future, we cannot keep on using fossil fuels to meet the demand for energy. Explain why. Because fossil fuels are a non-renewable source of
Excellent.
energy.
Excellent, ya Muhammad. Okay.
Many people say that we will Many people say that we will have to increase the use of renewable energy sources. Name 2 renewable energy sources. Wind energy, maybe.
Okay, excellent.
And tidal energy.
Tidal, excellent. And or كمان give another example.
Solar energy.
Excellent. Solar, excellent. So solar and wind or tidals. Okay. Excellent, ya Muhammad. Thank you very much. Okay, finish. Okay. Yes, ya Muaz. About fossils. Yes.
Look at the picture. It shows a fossil. The fossil records provide evidence of organisms that have lived on the Earth. Complete the sentences about fossils. Fossils are often remains of decayed parts of the animal.
Fossils, which part of animals? Animals, for example, it has flesh and bones, okay? Which part of animal?
It's hard parts of the animal.
Hard parts, excellent. Hard parts, not decayed.
The rest of the animal would have decayed.
Excellent.
The fossil record can be used to estimate the age.
Excellent. Okay. So the fossils is the hard part, which not decayed. Okay. The other part, like the flesh, it will decay by the effect of bacteria and fungi. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Muaz. Wait, another complete your question. Complete.
Rocks are found in layers. Look at the diagram. Suggest which layer has the oldest fossils. E.
E, excellent. E. Okay.
Fossils can be found in sedimentary rocks, such as sandstone. Why do igneous rocks not contain fossils? The temperature of the molten rock would have destroyed the remains of the organism.
Excellent. Excellent, Muaz. Okay. We said 3 types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. We said the only kind of rock which contain fossils, sedimentary rocks. Okay. He asked here why we can't find any fossils in the igneous rocks, because the igneous rocks formed by solidification of magma, okay? So the temperature of the magma is very high, so it will destroy any remains of organisms. Extensive. Okay, so the last one, we choose the last one. Okay, thank you guys very much. Okay, finish. Okay, who can solve the next? Okay, it's about the mass and volume, and density. Yes, Hashim? Yes, Hashim.
Yes, and
Yes.
what
What
equipment would they use to measure the mass of the block? Balance.
balance, excellent. Mass, so it will be balance or scale. Okay, excellent.
Describe one way they measure the volume of the block. Length times height times width.
Excellent. Because it's a regular shape, we can use the dimension, the 3 dimension, to measure the volume. Or we can put it in
water.
water,
And
in
see
a
the difference.
measuring cylinder. Excellent.
And
And
the measuring cylinder.
measure the
And
difference
see
between.
subtract the difference.
Excellent. Okay, so we have 2 methods. Measure the volume of the water dissipates by measuring cylinder, or measure the length and height and width by ruler. Okay, excellent.
Angelica and Carlos write down the results. The mass of the block is 110. The volume of the block is 30.
Okay, he give you the mass and volume. He will ask about
The
density.
density.
Okay, density, the law of
It will
density.
be 210 divided by 30.
Excellent. Mass over volume. Mass over volume. Okay. So 210.
It will be 7. 7.
Will be 7. Okay, what the unit of density? Mass over volume. So the mass in the
Gram per
fraction by
centimeter square.
gram.
Grams per centimeter square.
Excellent. Gram per centimeter cubic. Okay. Cubic centimeters.
Cubic, sorry.
Okay, excellent. Okay. Okay, Hashim, if we want to calculate the volume, tell me the law.
The volume?
Yes.
Mass over density.
Mass over density. If we have, if I ask you to calculate the mass, we don't have the mass and we have
density times the volume.
Density times volume. Excellent. You know the triangle?
Yes.
Excellent.
Mass over density times volume.
Excellent. And we saw 3 triangles. You have to save them. Okay, excellent, Hashim, very much. Okay, yes, yeah, May. About sound. Where is May? Yes, yeah, May. May? Okay, Muhammad Badr. Muhammad Badr.
Yes.
Yes, Muhammad.
Yes, miss.
We have 4 sound traces, okay?
Difference at 4 sound traces on an oscilloscope. Which
Yes.
sound has the highest amplitude and highest frequency?
Yes.
I choose 2 letters.
No, only one.
Okay. A. The first one.
The first one, excellent. A.
Which sound has the highest pitch and is the loudest? C.
Okay, think again. Think again, Yahan. Tell me what the meaning of frequencies, ya Muhammad, first. What the meaning of frequency?
Frequency is how far apart the sound is.
Okay, number of, what the meaning of frequency? Number of waves per second, okay? What the meaning of amplitude?
Distance between the sound and the line.
The center and the highest, okay, the top or bottom, okay. So we took a low frequency equal. Okay, look here, Muhammad. We have 4 items. Okay, frequency,
Okay.
amplitude, volume, pitch. Okay, 2 of them equal to each other, and the other 2 equal to each other. Okay, frequency equal. Frequency equal.
The number of the waves.
No, choose from the 3: amplitude, volume or loudness, and pitch.
A.
Okay, لا, okay. Concentrate with me, Muhammad. Okay, I will ask you a question. Frequency equal, volume, amplitude, pitch. Choose. If I say frequency, like if I say pitch, okay? Frequency equal pitch. Frequency equal pitch, okay? Amplitude equal. Yes, Muhammad.
Yes.
Volume, okay, or loudness.
The volume of the waves.
Okay, if I ask you which one the highest amplitude, the same if I ask you to which one the highest loudness or the highest volume, okay? The same meaning, okay? So number B, which sound has the highest pitch? Like if I say highest frequency, excellent. And the loudest, like if I say high amplitude. So it will be A, okay? The same meaning. If you remember, we said frequency equal pitch, amplitude equal loudness or volume, okay? It will be A. Okay, thanks, Muhammad, very much. Okay, Muhannad. 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 Okay, Ahmed Fahmi. Ahmed Fahmi. Okay, Muhannad again. Muhannad, open the mute from yourself. Mute yourself. You muted yourself, ya Muhannad. I open it. Okay. Okay, Hashim. Again, Hashim.
Yes.
Okay, excellent, Faris.
Oliver uses timing gate to measure his speed when he's running. Oliver needs one other measurement to calculate his speed.
Yes.
Distance.
In measurements, we measure
Speed. Distance.
distances and meters. Okay. In measuring instrument.
Meter ruler.
Okay, excellent.
Or meter scale.
Okay, excellent. Meter ruler, meter scale, tape. Okay, excellent. The same meaning. Okay.
Tape. Okay.
Okay, Oliver repeat his run 5
Oliver
times.
repeats his run 5 times. Give 2 reasons why. To check his answer.
Excellent, to check his answer.
And the other reason, to make it a fair test.
Okay, give 2 reasons. Okay, to check the results or to improve the reliability of the results. Okay, or to take, for example, the average after finish the 5 times. Maybe he will take the average. Okay, because each time his
average
will change. Okay, so at the end he will take the average. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Hashim. Thank you, Hashim, very much. Okay. Okay, Muhammad, try now. Yes,
Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
Muhammad, I can hear you. Yes. Look at the diagram of the air particle in a sound wave.
When the air particles are closer together, it's called compression.
Compression.
It's like the two letters show a compression. It's going to be A and B.
Excellent. A and B. Okay. Because C and D are not a compression. Okay. Sound.
Sound does not travel in a vacuum or in space. Complete the sentence. Sound cannot travel in a vacuum because it can only travel when there are particles.
They are sound can travel in a vacuum because they can only travel when they are particles. Excellent يا مهند. Okay, complete يا مهند I think. لا خلاص next another question. Okay, let's see
Yuri
another
builds a circuit to investigate current and
مهند.
voltage.
طب give the chance to any another one to solve. Okay. You can solve one. Okay. Thank you مهند very much. Okay, who can solve? You're 8. قول لي معاذ هاشم ومهند فارس and بدر. Solve. Yes وحسنين. Solve. Where is عمر سامح؟ مسعود. Yes يا مسعود. مسعود. Yes.
Hello, Mr.
Hello يا مسعود. Can you answer this question please? مسعود. مسعود. Yes
Hello,
يا مسعود.
Mr.
Yes يا مسعود. Can you please answer this question about electricity?
Okay. Yuri builds a circuit to investigate current and voltage. Yuri wants to measure the current through the lamp and voltage across the lamp. On the circuit diagram, add an ammeter and a voltmeter to show how we can measure the current and the
Okay.
voltage.
You want.
Ammeter is in series.
Okay. You can add the ammeter at any position beside the cell, for example, in a serious way. Okay. Voltmeter.
Okay.
Okay. Voltmeter.
In front of the lamp.
In front of the lamp. Okay, he want to measure the current and the voltage. Okay. Okay, in a parallel way with the lamp, for example. Okay, cross the lamp, so in a parallel way.
Yes.
Okay, like this, yeah, Muhammad. Yeah, sorry.
His voice is lagging.
Like this.
Yes, in front of it.
Okay, in this way. Okay, we can add the voltmeter.
Okay.
And write a letter V. Okay.
Okay.
And of course, the ammeter beside the cell at any position in a series.
Yes,
okay,
it
like
will
this.
be beside.
Okay, excellent, Masoud. Complete this sentence about electric current. Huh? Yes, Masoud.
Choose the place. Okay. The current going into a junction in the circle is equal to.
Excellent. The current going to the junction of the circuit is equal to.
Yuri now add
a second.
Yuri
Battery.
now
Okay.
add battery in the series we're choosing. What happened to the current in the circuit?
Yes. When we add another cell.
لا مش فاهمها الصراحة.
If we add, we have one cell here. Okay. If we add another one, what will happen to the electric current? Will increase or decrease? We add another cell.
Increase.
Okay,
increase.
Excellent. Will increase because we add another cell. We increase the voltage of the cell. Okay. Okay, excellent.
Okay, makes sense. Thanks.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Who can solve the next one? About conduction and convection and radiation. Yes. can solve. Okay, Muaz.
Yes, miss.
We can feel.
We can feel the heat of the sun because of radiation.
Radiation.
Metals transfer thermal heat energy using the process of conduction.
Conduction. Excellent. Okay. Excellent. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Muaz. Let's see another one. Yes. Yeah. Ahmed Fahmi, you don't want to answer? Ahmed Fahmi. طب مي. اوكي عمر سامح.
Hello.
اوكي طب عمر سامح and Ahmed at the same time and May. طب let's wait. Let's start with أحمد فهمي. عمر سامح you are the next.
6
okay أحمد فهمي.
6 kilometers.
Gabriela draw a distance time graph. Okay. It's his journey. How far has the car traveled after 8 minutes? We have a distance across time. After 8 minutes, Ahmed. Okay, we have to bring the ruler and
6 kilometers.
how many meters? How many kilometers?
6.
6. Excellent. Okay, 6 kilometers. Excellent, yeah. Okay, Gabriela thinks the car traveled at different speed. Explain how she can tell this from the shape of the graph. How do you know that she traveled at a different speed from the graph? Yes, ya Omar?
Because the time is increasing. You can see the graph.
No, look at the graph. Look at the graph.
Okay.
Look at the graph. How you know that, for example, she moving constant speed here. At here, for example, she is at rest. Okay.
Stop.
Then
She
start.
stopped.
Okay, because
And then
this
she continued.
different. We have different slope.
Speeds.
Okay. Or
Different.
okay. Different slope or steepness at the graph. Excellent. Yeah. The line has different steepness or slope. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, year 8. Your homework. Your homework, Muhammad Mahmoud. Solve the past paper, October 2016. Paper 1 and a paper 2. I uploaded in Udmodo. Okay. And next session we will solve 2016 April. The part of the physics. Okay. And tomorrow, inshallah, we will complete, I think, 2017 or 2018 about chemistry. Okay. Thank you very much. See you next session. Before I leave, I want you to watch this video. Okay. See you tomorrow.
Nope. Yep. 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 Nope. Yep.